a male, rough-skinned newt. Every spring he is driven by a mysterious urge to return to the pool where he hatched as a tadpole, and he needs to get there quickly, because there are lots of others like him with exactly the same idea. They're all searching for a female. But trekking across hundreds of meters of old-growth forest is not easy. There is strong competition, and the female is anxious to get going. Once paired, he hangs on, for she may take several hours to discharge all her eggs. Other males are only too eager to displace him if they can. Competition is so vigorous that the females in the centre of these writhing balls have been known to drown for lack of air. But her first partner maintains his grip. Within weeks, their tadpoles will hatch.